How to unban your TikTok account. Firstly, navigate to the TikTok app and open it on your device. Now, if your account is banned and you're still logged in, you will see a pop-up message like account banned. Then you can click on the appeal or submit an appeal option. After that, follow the on-screen steps. If it's not available, then you can simply go to your settings. In settings, scroll down, go to the section Support and About. Click on the option Report a Problem. Extend the first option Account and Profile. Under Account and Profile, if you see an option Banned or Restricted Account, click on it. If you don't see that option, then you can simply click on Profile Page. Click on Profile Page and this kind of menu will appear. Select Other at the bottom. Now again, this kind of description will show up. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the option No. Select the option Need More Help. Now here you can write your appeal message clearly. Let me tell you how you can write the message. You can say something like, "Hi TikTok team, my account was banned and I believe this may have been a mistake. I always follow community guidelines and would appreciate a review. Thank you." After this, you just have to wait for their response. That's all for today. Thank you.